So I've been cleaning off the paint and surface rust, and see, I got some rust through areas here that I'm going to have to repair. A little bit up here on the toe board. Other than that, actually it looks a lot better than what the driver's side did. So I marked the area which I am going to cut out. So along this red line, I am going to remove all this material, and then I'm going to put in some brand new sheet steel in that area to replace it. Now before I weld in the new sheet metal here, I'm going to work on this toe board section. So I've outlined where I'm going to cut this out and fabricate a new piece. Okay, I got this section cut out now. See, it's pretty well rusted. Time to fabricate a new piece to weld it in place here. Okay, so I got my new piece of sheet steel here, and I'm going to use this part that I cut out as my template, and I'm just going to trace this out and cut out some new steel. There's some burrs on here, but I'm going to cut it a little bit outside the line anyway. I want it to be a little oversized. I'm just going to create a little hem along this edge, and so it's going to create like a little S-shaped form, if you will. I'll add some strength to it, but it also will allow this to sit up onto the into the vehicle floor, and then this part will be basically flush to the rest of the sheet steel. And then I'll have to do the same thing up here as well. So doing this thing manually is not fun, nor is it highly accurate by any means. So before I weld this plate into the vehicle, I am going to clean this surface with some mineral spirits, and then I'm going to prime it and paint it to protect it from rust. Get the forms really well. Okay, use this part that I cut out of the vehicle to make a rough template here. So I'm going to cut that out with my cutoff wheel and form it to this basic shape and get it fit into the vehicle, ready to weld. Okay, so I have my two patch panels all fabricated, and then on one side here I primed and painted them, and it's all dry now, help protect it from rusting. So now, just need to pick these up and weld them in place, and run smooth.